Ready to grow your money with a savings account that works for you? Let's walk through how to open a savings account with Nationwide first. Head to the Nationwide website. You'll likely find a dedicated section about personal savings accounts. This is where you'll start. Click on this and explore the different account options they offer. Nationwide often has a variety of savings accounts, each with different features, like easy access, fixed savings, or even accounts geared toward children. Look into the interest rates. Higher interest rates mean your money grows faster, a crucial factor in choosing the right account. Pay close attention to the terms and conditions, things like minimum deposit requirements, withdrawal limits, and any fees associated with the account. Nationwide's website clearly lays out all of this information. Check for these small details so you are not caught out. Once you've decided which account is best for you, initiate the application process. This usually involves providing some personal details, like your name, address, and date of birth, as well as your financial information. This stage is all online and easy to follow. Some accounts you'll be to apply via the Nationwide app. This makes things even simpler. Nationwide also requests the necessary documentation depending on the account and your individual circumstances. This might include things like proof of address or identification like a driver's license or passport. Once your application is submitted, it's typically reviewed very quickly. After successful application, you can start transferring money into your new savings account. Remember to compare interest rates frequently and adapt your approach to achieve those financial goals. And that's it. You've opened a savings account with Nationwide. Start saving and watch your money grow.